Hi, good day, Ma'am Janine. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Janine Otor, 32 years of age and living in Laguna, Philippines. I have two kids and a married person.
All right, thank you. And then do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes po, I have one brother, four sisters po.
All right. And then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
Married,
Okay. And then how would you describe yourself?
a jolly person, hardworking and loyal, honest.
Okay. And then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad because I want to support my family and my kids.
Okay. So do you have any work experience abroad?
No,
Do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
yes, I have. I work a caregiver here in Philippines
All right. From what year did you start?
from January 2024 till January 2026.
All right. So did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finish.
Okay. And then, can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as caregiver here in Philippines?
My duties and responsibilities here in Philippines. I have a female patient, 48 years old. And she have chronic kidney disease and 3 times a week dialysis. I make sure to assist her in feeding, bathing, and medicine, and um, change diaper
All
while
right.
she.
All right. Thank you. And then, she is a bedridden female patient.
Yes,
All right. And then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
yes.
Okay. And then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I make sure myself busy and do my contract finish.
Okay. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Okay. And then how do you describe your cooking skills?
cooking skills. My cooking skills is also only a Filipino food like sinigang, adobo, nilaga, caldereta.
All right, thank you. And then are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes,
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
I have food allergy in foods.
All right. But you can eat pork, chicken or beef? Okay. So do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes,
Okay, do
to
you
become.
have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes,
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
yes, I promise.
Do you drink alcohol?
No,
How about smoking?
no.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, I have.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
Um, Only for cesarean.
Alright, in what year?
2020, 2013 and 2021.
Okay. And then, are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes,
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
yes.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Janine Otor, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Um, Hi, Madam, Sir. I'm Janine Otor. Please hire me. I am honest, loyal, and hardworking person. Um, I'm a kind and patient. I promise I will finish my contract. Thank you.